We've just acquired, it's very rare, lovely looking, sporty Ford Focus ST. It's the diesel. Absolutely superb condition anthracite alloy wheels. Best colour they do. It's got reverse parking sensors, high level rear spoiler, factory satellite navigation, privacy glass to the rear. Boot area is in immaculate condition, the carpets are there. Half leather ST seats, ST kick plates, electric windows, electric mirrors, Recaro front ST seats in immaculate condition. This car's been so looked after. It's done 71,708 miles. It's got sync, satellite navigation, Bluetooth, full media pack, air conditioning, climate control, USB. Drive superb, great economy. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.